sign is taken as positive. But nowadays, generally, we are using is electron gain enthalpy.
But I mean, many refractors, it will be same as electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity. It is given as same.
हाँ, जनरली हम दोनों को सेम ही कंसिडर करते हैं, बट येस देयर इज अ डिफरेंस. अगर आपको चाहिए मैं आपको प्रदीप की फोटो भेजूंगी. जो इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी होती है जनरली उसका साइन पॉजिटिव रखते हैं. Same values are same, but generally electron affinity value is taken as positive, but electron gain enthalpy value is taken as negative. And both of them, I can say it is an energy change. उसमें तो हम बोलते हैं ना electron gain enthalpy is the energy released. So electron affinity, if I want to describe both of them as same, I can say it is the energy change when an electron is added to the outermost shell of a neutral gaseous atom. तो जनरली हम उनको सेम कंसिडर करते हैं, बट देयर इज अ डिफरेंस.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so yesterday what we were going to do was the Fazan's rule. Okay, next, Daman, can you tell me on the basis of Fazan's rule? I am asking one or two questions. So you simply have to answer me on the basis of Fazan's rule. Out of why lithium chloride is covalent? Yes, Daman. On the basis of Fazan's rule, can you tell me why lithium chloride is covalent?
Ma'am, please spotlight yourself.
Yes, अभी मैंने रिकॉर्ड भी नहीं स्टार्ट की, कर देते हैं. Yes, Daman, say yes, ma'am, at least.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, why lithium? What is Fazan's rule? Do you know? At least you can read from the copy. Daman, have you written in the copy? मेरे को बेटा आंसर तो दो ना.
No, ma'am.
क्यों? मेरे को आज सारे नोट्स भेजोगे, मैं मेंशन कर रही हूँ तुम्हारा. मेरे को आज काम भेजोगे.
Okay, ma'am.
बेटा this is wrong. You are not noting it down in the copy. किसी को बोलो ना तुम्हें आता है ना तुम पढ़कर आए हो. अब मैं लिख रही हूँ कि कॉपी मेंटेन नहीं किया है. I am just writing it. Yes. Gautam Kakkar, can you tell me what is why lithium chloride is covalent? Yes, say yes, ma'am, at least. जब भी मैं नाम लेती हूँ yes, ma'am. हाँ, yes, ma'am, साथ साथ हो जाना चाहिए. Yes, can you tell me why lithium chloride is covalent? Are you maintaining your copy? Yes or?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, बोल from the copy.
Ma'am, lithium chloride.
Gautam Kumar.
Ma'am, lithium chloride has high polarizing power, so it has a very high covalent character.
High polarizing power है lithium की.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is
Lithium
one of the
because
smallest size in group.
lithium because of its small size and high polarizing power. So according to Fazan's rule, it is covalent. Very good. Okay. So yesterday what we have done was this one. Okay. Next question goes to Rishabh Girsa. Rishabh, what about ammonia? Is ammonia polar or non-polar? Yes. Rishabh, say yes, ma'am. Rishabh Girsa, say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो. Are you maintaining your copy?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ read बताओ मेरे को. Is ammonia polar or non-polar? Yes, and please switch on your cameras, all of you.
Ammonia is polar in nature.
Okay, can you explain why it is polar?
I didn't remember.
Pardon?
I don't remember.
You didn't wrote the answer. लेकिन समझा तो था ना. अच्छा, मैं डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ. नाउ कैन यू एक्सप्लेन इट? Why ammonia is polar?
Ma'am, because of diagonal shape.
Trigonal नहीं है. This is called a pyramidal shape. This is forming a pyramid. Shape of ammonia is pyramidal shape. बेटा पढ़ लेना इसको, ठीक है? I am again putting a cross. Next one, Rohan. Can you tell me the reason? Rohan, say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is because of the free electrons.
So that's not. You won't be getting any marks for this. Akshita,
Yes, ma'am.
I am against polar.
Ma'am, I don't know the correct answer, but I think because the N is the negative end of ammonia and the middle of the H is positive end. And so the dipoles, and ma'am, so the dipoles cancel out and it's polar.
नहीं, डाइपोल्स अगर कैंसिल हो जाएंगे तो पोलर कैसे हुआ? फिर तो नॉन पोलर हो गया ना.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. जयंत तो एब्सेंट है. लक्ष्य, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन फॉर योर एक्सीलेंट रिजल्ट.
Thank you, ma'am.
हाँ लक्ष्य, कैन यू टेल मी व्हाई अमोनिया इज पोलर?
Ma'am, nitrogen is more electronegative, so while drawing the dipole movement, ma'am, it will move towards the lone pair of electrons.
Yes, ammonia is polar because the dipoles due to lone pair and bond pair, ठीक है ना? Dipoles due to lone pair and bond pair are in the same direction. Dipoles due to lone pair and bond pair are in same direction and do not cancel. In fact, they reinforce each other. They do not cancel, they reinforce. They strengthen each other, ठीक है ना? They reinforce each other. So dipole movement is a very important topic. Now the next topic that we are going to do is a Vesper theory. We will be continuing with the topic of dipole movement, obviously, Vesper theory. Now Vesper theory means valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. It means valence shell electron pair repulsion theory. So this is called as Vesper theory. Okay. Now, according to the Vesper theory, I am just telling you the main postulates. I am sharing my screen, so you can just note it down in the copies. Okay, you can just note it down in the copy. Just give me a minute. I will be sharing my screen. Meanwhile, you can start reading from NCERT. What are the main points of the Vesper theory?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, this chapter is included in PT.
No, this is not included in PT. But it is a very important chapter, so please focus on the chapter. Okay, 1 minute. I am just sharing my screen.
Hello? Oh no.